Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and the amazing Blue Baron truck mounts that will give you longevity, performance, far exceeding other manufacturers. We use the belt system, which is by far the most successful way of running your truck mount. You don't want the direct drive. Don't anyone snow you in thinking that's the good way to do it. I've been in this business for 40 years. I've had those type of systems fail on me. I had loss of jobs. Customers were unhappy. It just caused a lot of problems. So what you want to do is direct drive is a very, if you got a truck mount out there that you're looking at that's direct drive, go the other way. If you're not going to buy a Blue Baron, buy a unit that has belt driven. And so I'm just saying that to you guys out there. I believe in what I'm building. We got a lot of live testimonies, video testimonies of my units. Very low failure rate, easy to fix, run cool, open concept. Access Point heat exchanger, which is a patented design. You can get 3,000 psi of working pressure out of our units. Not too many units out there that can perform that kind of pressure, because a lot of them are using the copper, and the copper isn't as strong as the stainless. We have heavy walled stainless, 80 feet up here. We have 40 feet down here for our post heater. Everything's easy to get to. Our belt change out are in 15 minutes and not in days. You don't have to get a special part, an expensive coupler. It's all belt driven. In fact, all these belts are the same size, BX30s, cog belts. Great running, great transmission, great ratio of pulling. And also there's also pre-warning. So if you know you're getting in trouble with a belt, it'll give you warning. The direct drive systems do not. And I know there's other people on that YouTube that like to think that they're a game changer and they're coming up with something great and wonderful. Distributors oftentimes don't use the products in which they sell. I am a manufacturer. I build and I've operated these units for many years. And we've been building for 15 years, so if we didn't know what we were doing, we wouldn't be in business for very long. I've been 40 years in the industry and 15 years building, and we've sold to many manufacturers of this Access Point heat exchanger, to many other companies where people had used, had discontinued units that no longer carried their manufacturer OEM heat exchanger. So we have been doing replacements for the Prochem industry, getting referrals from John Don, because they know we know our stuff. We are top of the pile in the heat exchanger industry. We're the top of the line. We're worldwide recognized quality, and the way that we had built our heaters give quick access to heat right away. There's no concentric layer upon layer. It's not where the gases have to fight to get into the varying folds and spirals of the coils. It's not a helical wrap, concentric helo. It's a series of parallel coils that give you quick access. Check us out on Google Patents. In fact, we went with the quad, and we expanded our patent to include plurality, so that we went from the original triplex to a quad, which holds 80 feet in the primary, and then we got 40 feet at the bottom of high pressure tubing as well. So there's no copper, so you don't have to worry about burst pressures or anything like that. You could run these things like workhorses. And and they hold their value because they're well built. They're all unibody frame construction, quarter plate, all powder coated, stainless headers. Everything here is just totally maxed out on quality. That's all we ever do, is just put high quality in everything we do. From the stainless outlet pipes there, the exit pipes for both the silencer and the post heater, everything is stainless. We have our specially made custom flex hoses that go on there. Everything is stainless. Everything is easy to get to. Stainless braided houses with high pressure and temperature rating. Everything is here that will make it easy for you to maintain. Open concept, no louvered covers, no fighting to get past wire twisted pairs of electrical and partitions. Real easy to get to. We have alignment tools for your belts to get perfect alignment every time. 15 years I've been building these units. 15-minute change out on a belt. This is just a beautiful unit to maintain. So check our testimonies online, and if you have any questions, call us today at 727-505-2989. Come down here to Holiday, Florida. Check out our unit. You'll like what you see. Also, our financing is unbelievable. 450, 480 FICO score at ClickLease, low docs, quick approval. Within the last few weeks, we've already gotten 3 approvals. That's really good in today's finance market. These people allow a lot of flexibility. I'm a factory owner. I'm not a distributor, so I don't have any middleman's profit in there. I can work with pricing, so we meet your budgetary constraints for your household expense. So call us today, 727-505-2989. Look us up on the store at truckmountstore.com or Truck Mount Carpet Cleaning Machines, the informational site since 2005. Thank you.